Let me show you a Chinese breakfast in a hotel. There's where we eat. There's usually a chef that will cook you maybe a soup or an omelette or a stir fry. Then we have sausages. I think they might be onion rings. I think they have meat inside. Tomato omelette. Cauliflower with tomatoes, mushrooms, green peppers. I think that's some sort of Chinese cucumber thing, squash, egg fried rice, sweet potato, boiled eggs. Maybe that's the Chinese cucumber. Got some melon. Then we have lettuce, red cabbage, and I'm not sure what that is. Cake, bread, but sadly the bread is just like American bread. It's like very sugary, very, very weird. We have, this is like a drink, I think. It's like a bean-based drink. And very popular here at breakfast time. It's like a rice drink. And over here, even more popular, hot soy milk. I think hot milk as well. A little bit different, isn't it?
Drinking milk today.
So you know I'm not capping. Here's a different hotel breakfast. I'm gonna get me some cauliflower.